here today with Mr. Bernhard from the VDMA, and earlier on today, Mr. Bernhard had given a insightful presentation during the open show organized by AceMicromatic Group for German delegates. So Mr. Bernhard, in your presentation, you spoke about VDMA's operations as well as its presence here in India. Could you tell us a bit more about VDMA's role in strengthening the collaboration between these two countries?
Yes. So the VDMA is a large industrial association in Germany and Europe. Actually, the largest industrial association with around about 3,600 member companies, most of them family-owned companies in the sector of mechanical engineering, plant industry. And right now we are here with German companies on the IMTEX with 2 booths. And yes, our role is here to strengthen the relationships between Indian and German mechanical engineering industry.
Now that the open show has come to an end, what are your thoughts on this initiative that AceMicromatic Group has put together?
It was a very nice initiative, and I guess all the guests today were really keen on looking inside an Indian company, an Indian industry. And as far as I spoke to the companies, they really enjoyed the day today here at AceMicromatic.
The past few days, I believe you had a chance to explore IMTEX 2025 and all the companies that are exhibiting there. Could you tell us a bit about your experience at IMTEX 2025?
So when I speak to the companies, they're really very satisfied with the IMTEX, with all the interviews they had on their booth. So they had very good conversations, very fruitful conversations, and I guess it's a good opportunity to strengthen the relations between Indian and German companies, and I'm sure it will strengthen the relationships in business.
As an important organization that is holding the ties between India and Germany, how do you foresee the relationship in the next few years to grow?
I guess the relationships will be more and more important because India is really a very important market for German industry. It will become more and more important. India is on a very good way. It's developing very fast, and I guess the products from India get more and more interesting for the rest of the world, also for Germany. And on the other way, of course, India is very interesting for the German companies and German products, and I guess made in Germany is still a very good brand for India.